Hey there, Dreamer, DWG here. Let's get it. Today's hardware in focus is the Ice Corral Game Cooler, K21 Notebook Cooler, Laptop Cooler. That's a lot of cool. This is the hardware in focus. So the reason that I picked this up was to keep my laptop a little bit cooler. At least I'm hoping. I don't know if it's going to work out, but I hope it does. Whenever we're making YouTube videos, people's computers or your computer can rev up trying to keep everything cool depending on how much stuff that you're doing and how many different pieces of software you have open, so on and so forth. If you guys have checked out my game studio that I've made, I'm in that room right now, you might see that I have that little heater on the side. So purposefully, I usually leave it cold in here just to help keep my laptop a little cooler so it doesn't rev up and I don't have to worry about taking that noise out inside of Audacity. Although Audacity does a really good job. For anybody that's wondering, yes, I use a very old Audacity for a reason, and those who know, you know. In any case, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, I hope that you like that unboxing. We're going to now jump onto a game called Tech Beat, which was created inside of Godot. It promises that old school feel, that Tempest feel. If game dev journeys out there, I'm sure you remember Tempest and whatnot. What a great game. This game is very positive, and basically what I'm going to do here is play the demo. If I end up liking the game, then I'm going to go ahead and purchase it, and people from Lost Machine Games has earned themselves a customer. Let's go ahead and jump straight on into it. Now, at the moment here, you're not going to hear any type of sound from the music because I don't know how copyright works when it comes to video game music. However, you're going to hear the sound effects and whatnot. So we got start, how to play, ranking, soundtrack, achievements, options, and quit. Underneath the options, you'll see here that you have full screen, you have the sound effects, which I have up to 100, and I have the music turned down. You also see down in the bottom right corner that that has the Godot engine displaying it proudly. Thank you so much for that. Let's go ahead and get into the play. Also on your screen, you can see the controller that I had picked up, which was from Afterglow. We see that there are locked boards, but this is a demo, so we're going to just play this one. Now, right off the bat, the controllers are the D-pad, not the analog sticks, which actually I really appreciate. So this really puts me into that old school feel. Having a great time with it. It has some audio on there, you know, giving you compliments and what not. Not doing too bad. Here they come. Let's hit them with that special. There we go. Get another one of those pills. Oh, no, 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 no. I thought I had got. They can't see DWG. Nice. Oh, well, they got me that time. No, they did not. I'm the man. Oh. So I'm thinking that special pill that I had probably, okay, that time they got me for sure. Nice. Let's go ahead and run that back one more time. But again, I really like the controllers. I like the sound effects that's in this game. It puts me back into that retro game feel with that new feel appeal to it. Now, if you guys remember, like I said before, if you remember Tempest and some of those other games from back in the day, like Galaga and whatnot. There we go. Got that V-shot. All right. I love that slow. Oh, missed the pill. I love that slow motion feel that you get every once in a while. And I'm learning as I, okay, well, I got tagged on that one. You know what, guys? There is no way in the world that I'm not buying this. I'm going to buy this for sure. I should have waited to get that dragon. All right. All right, looks like I'm done. But okay, guys, you know what? I'm going to definitely purchase this game. It was definitely fun. I think that everybody in my family would have fun with it as well. The controller, the afterglow worked really well. No complaints and nothing like that. All right, so I'm going to check you guys out on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm almost there to 100 subscribers, and then I get my custom URL. I see you guys on the next one. Peace. As you fade away.